Service advisors have plenty to keep track of during the day, so they deserve to have some of the statuses updated by the rest of the team, and we've made this very simple in AutoTextMe. A new feature called Auto Assign and Update is available to you. You'll see it in the admin menu. Click here and you'll be brought to our customization screen. Since every shop is different, we understand that no two shops are going to want all of the same toggles, so we simply change yes or no for various options that you see on this screen. And I'm going to explain what some of this means for you, but I'm going to focus on the DVI status as the example here. Statuses will only change by a certain individual, and we do label that in each of these categories. And it only works with the step associated with a particular worksheet. I want to remind you, by going to Workflow Setup, what an associated status actually is. Let's use the assessment status here. This is where the DVI is associated, and you'll notice when you click on this title, you'll see the associated inspection button here. Similarly, for the servicing and quality control steps, you'll have those sheets associated with those steps as well. Here now, we've logged in as our technician, and we're going to take this Ford Expedition, and we're seeing that it's in the check-in status right now. In order to move it into the DVI, now normally we could click it into the assessment status, of course, or we can just click into the DVI, and the technicians on their tablets are usually going to just see this button here. They're not going to be looking at their whole workflow. So they click into the DVI, and that is not enough to update the status automatically. You'll see that I am still in the check-in status, but if I click in the DVI and then I change something, such as this tire, when I go back, you'll see that it's now sitting in assessment. So the status updates as soon as you actually begin doing something on that inspection form. So now that you've seen the status update, I want to show you just a regular assignment change. So you'll see there is no one assigned to this ticket right now, and if I move this vehicle to ready, I'm logged in as my service advisor right now. By changing the status, I automatically become assigned to that ticket, which helps keep you organized, especially if you're using your own individual tab. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that clears up what the auto assign and update can do for you. Please pay careful attention again to these descriptions on each of the options. They do tell you exactly what the toggle will do and who it is affected by it. Thanks for watching. Have fun out there.